Farberware Professional FMO12AHTBKE 1.2 Ford 1100 watt microwave oven with smart sensor cooking and LED lighting, brushed stainless steel. Cook easily and powerfully. Customize your cooking with 10 power levels and multi-stage cooking. Plus there are 7 one-touch cooking programs including 3 auto defrost pre-programmed settings, 4 melt pre-programmed cooking options, and 3 soften pre-programmed cooking options to make quick work of any cooking task. Get a clear view. The LED display with kitchen timer and clock lets you keep track of time, while the Easy View interior LED lighting lets you keep an eye on cooking. Convenient. Conveniences such as defrost by weight or by time settings let you get dinner on the table, even when you forget to pre-prep your food. Style and function. Stylish stainless steel front with black body gives a stylish, elegant look, and the child safety lock function provides an added level of security. Speed cooking, 1 to 6 min. Express cooking and plus 30 sec. Button offers simple press and go speed, while the memory function lets you store your most used customized settings. Innovative, smart sensor cooking technology monitors the temperature and amount of steam coming from the food to judge how much water remains and how long it should continue heating. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.